Two Dracos all around the stick. How you a shooter, you ain't shooting shit. Spend a few bins, but you ain't never hit. Your gun is for sure, why you towing that shit? You know you really ain't blowing on shit. The shit to get cold, need to cut out this bitch. You know you broke, why you holding that mic? I fucked your bitch, she hold on my dick. I ain't cheating, so I got hold on.
It's the one and only T-Machiavelli, and I'm back with another video for y'all today. We're gonna be doing a prank. We're gonna just be doing 2 pranks at the mall. We're gonna be doing a sneeze on you prank, and you gotta stay tuned for the other one. But yeah, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and it's your boy T-Machiavelli, and we got to get right into the
God bless you.
Achoo! Achoo!
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna do half sneeze on people prank and half walk up to people and see their reaction. I just found this on the table and we're gonna be like, yo, is this yours? Let's find out. But that's yours?
Yo, we know what store it came from, man. Do you know it's from Spencer's? Y'all got one of these? We got two.
You guys.
That is not mine. I hate to break it to you. I wish it was. It's not my pocket budget, bro.
Wait,
I'm sorry, bro. It's a shame, really.
We need to find more people to sneeze on. Alright, thank y'all for watching. It's been a blast making this video. Shout out to everybody that did it with me. Man. But yeah, shout out to everybody that did it with me. It was really funny. And yo, if y'all like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And yo, let's get this 4K watch time, man, so we can become better and greater. So yeah, it's your boy T-Machiavelli, and we out of
Get that water, Aquafina. Broski told me gotta watch these niggas that be leeching, ayy. On my brother.